A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel Jones, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. The ASX 200 is expected to fall on the first day of opening trade this week, following losses over the weekend from Wall Street. So while investors are waiting for a speech by the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell at the annual Global Central Banking Conference, the ASX 200 is likely to open 29 points lower, or 0.4% lower this morning. That's according to the latest ASX futures. The benchmark index closed 1.7% points higher on Friday at 7,114. Moving on, an aerial imagery company, Nearmap, has agreed to a takeover deal from private equity firm Thoma Bravo. Under the scheme, Nearmap shareholders will be entitled to receive $2.10 cash per share. Thoma Bravo is one of the largest private equity firms in the world, with more than $114 billion in assets under management. Over the last 20 years, the company has acquired or invested in more than 380 companies, representing over $190 billion in enterprise value. Nearmap's board unanimously recommended the deal. Moving on, Ventia has been awarded a contract to deliver build services for Telstra Infraco in the first phase of a new nationwide ultra-high capacity, low latency fibre project. As part of the project, Ventia will lead the design and construction of specific high-capacity optic fibre routes, including various fibre links between Melbourne and Sydney to Wilmington in South Australia. Now, the contract will start immediately, and the first phase is expected to generate approximately $125 million in revenue over a 3-year build program. As part of a multi-year build, Telstra will be bolstering its national fibre network to improve its size, reach and bandwidth. And Adairs has reported record sales results following the acquisition of Focus in Furniture in December 2021. And this is despite the Adairs brand losing 16% of its total store trading days due to government-mandated store closures in the first half. The strong sales result was offset by a number of factors, mostly related to COVID. Group sales were up 12.9% at $564.5 million in financial year 2021. Group online sales now make up 35% of total group sales. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Taking a quick look first at global markets. Now, over on Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell 0.85%, the S&P 500 dipped 1.3%, and the Nasdaq fell 2%. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 1.3%, the FTSE gained 0.1%, and the CAC dipped 0.9%, with the DAX dropping 1.1% lower. The MSCI World Equity Index was down 1.3%. Oil prices rose on Friday but fell for the week on the strengthening US dollar and also concerns that slowdown would hit demand. Brent crude futures finished at $96.72 a barrel, gaining 13 cents. WTI closed 27 cents higher at $90.77. Gold prices fell on Friday on the stronger US dollar and expectations of further US interest rate hikes. US gold futures finished 0.5% lower at $1,762. Cryptocurrencies did decline sharply, with sudden selling dragging Bitcoin to a 3-week low. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.